Hello. Are you looking to add a team member to your Square account? You'll go ahead and sign into your Square account. Once the home dashboard loads up, you'll want to find over here on the left-hand side, it will either say staff and payroll or maybe team. You'll click on this. You'll click on team. Sometimes they're switched depending on which version of Square you have, depending on when you started. If it's your first time getting started, you can go ahead and just click Add Team Member right up here in the top right-hand corner. You'll go ahead and enter that information. You can invite them via email or phone number. We prefer email. Once you've entered all of that information, you'll click on Next. Then you'll go ahead and add a new job. I usually like to have an admin, and I also like to create student, depending on the type of account. I'll also always unselect tip eligible, click Save, come into the pay type and select None. All of the rest of this information is correct and click Next. Then you want to come in here and click on Team Permissions. The other option is a paid for option, and then you'll just click on Full Access and click on Continue. Here, you'll just go ahead and generate passcodes. This is only relevant for a shared point of sale device. We'll generate our own unique owner passcode. No worries. We'll come down here, make sure the location is selected for the correct business. You'll generate that. All of these things should be selected, and they are, and then boom, it has now invited that team member into the account. And now here in just a moment, we'll go ahead and see how that exactly works in terms of Square inviting someone into the account. You can also, if you want to manage the users who you invite, you select the user, come over here and you can edit their information. You can also assign wages if you want, but you can also come up here to this ellipses and click Deactivate Team Member. And this will prevent this team member from having access to the account again, but you can also reactivate them, deactivate them, etc. And here it is, Create My Account. The new user would click on this button, create their password, and go ahead and log right into the dashboard. It's as easy as that. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.